Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're preparing beans and rice and serve with vegetables, guys. So this dish is so easy to make and very healthy for the young one growing up. And I also prepared the white rice is already cooked. So now we're gonna go ahead and start frying our beans. Thank you for clicking. So let's get started. In the saucepan, we'll add in vegetable cooking oil for frying our beans. So what do you think about this video, guys? Please comment down below and let me know what's your favorite part of this recipe. If you love beans or you love vegetable, please comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you very much. After adding the onions, let the onion fry until golden brown. So guys, the onion is all done. We'll go ahead and add in a little bit of curry into the onions and black pepper as well. All these are for flavors, guys. It's optional. If you don't want to add in curry into your beans, you can cook your bean without curry, but for me, I prefer preparing my beans with curry and black pepper. It's so delicious, guys. Cover it and let it steam in a low heat. So I'll go ahead and add in, see, there's already liquid forming there because I've covered it. We got garlic here, this is garlic here, I'll add in there for flavor, guys, and black pepper. there. The broccoli is here. This is our broccoli. I'll add it in. Yeah. And stir. See that? It's already delicious, guys. The aroma. It's gonna be yummy. But it's still there in low heat, guys. Check. Yes, it's almost done. And you can see. Vegetable is ready. Look at that. See that? No water in it. Just steaming it. And it is perfect, not overcooked, because I want it to be crunchy when you're eating it. Look at that. Yeah, that's it. I'll go ahead and turn off the heat. It's ready now. It's ready, and the beans is also ready. From the heat as well. So guys, this is our lunch. Very simple and rich in protein, and it's good for kids, for children who are still growing up. Yeah, this is their favorite meal today. They will enjoy it. They love beans so much. So yeah, our lunch is all done, as you can see. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bells, and share with your friends, yeah, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.